How to disable end call with lock button on iPhone. First of all, let's navigate and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside the settings menu, find the accessibility option, tap on it to move to the next step. Now within the accessibility settings, look for the touch option under the physical and motor section and tap on it to open the touch related settings. As you scroll down this page, you will come across an option called Prevent Lock to End Call. This setting is physically designed to prevent calls from being disconnected when you press the lock button. To disable ending calls with the lock button, simply toggle the switch on. Once enabled, pressing the power button during a call will no longer disconnect it. And that's it. Now you have successfully disabled the end call function with the lock button on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.